Well, it's telling me what I need to do to get to that spot I really want to get.
If I hadn't joined this internship, I wouldn't think about working in the construction field. But like now I'm getting these actual experiences, so I'm like, this is actually for me.
I think the program's worthwhile. It's super educational because we start talking about like, hey, what do you want to do after high school, right? Which is super important.
As a community college student, I joined the MAPIn program. I transferred to California State University, Dominguez Hills. Now I work with the education system. So if it wasn't really for the MAPIn program, I don't think I would be here today.
Since 2008, MAPIn has been providing students with resources to explore, identify, and develop career and academic programs. It is our goal to continue supporting today's students to become tomorrow's workforce leaders.